Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, Summer Friday, so hopefully it's an easy, quick, painless day that we all make some money and keep it short and quick and efficient. So yesterday's action, obviously we gapped down pretty big and we had a nice recovery towards the majority of the day. It was not easy. It was a little selective. The banks really didn't follow through. You know, you had the S&Ps that did some work, but stocks really were, most of them, end of the day, relatively down, but at the same time, they just recovered from the lows that they were at. That being said, there was still damage done. We're still below our 50-day moving average on the spiders at this point in time. I just think it's going to be a little lackluster. I know one of the things I'm doing today, or trying to do today, is pare down most of the positions that I got into, whether it was yesterday or the day before, and clean things up. And with that being said, you know, there's selective stocks I do like and I think are good buying opportunities for us to take advantage of. Shorting, I think you need to let things rally a little bit if you're going to put on new shorts. I think the home builders, again, I keep saying it, every pullback seems like a buying opportunity. Len, Toll Brothers, they pulled back yesterday. It was buying opportunity. They obviously closed the day up. Netflix, to me, above 85.40, looks okay, gapping up above there a little bit. You know, I have to wait and see how it trades, but overall, looks like, you know, it could get to the 92, which is my 200-day moving average, 92.10. So, wait and see what happens, but let the market tell you. I think it's a, you know, tick trading market a little bit more. Be a little bit more agile and quick versus just, you know, sitting and trying to let these, trying to anticipate that we're either going up or down. That's a lot more difficult. At least that's what I've been seeing. Other ideas I'm looking at Nike, possibly to fill the gap. It looks like it's digested a little bit after, you know, a decent down move. Maybe it retests its 20-day moving average, which is roughly around 96. And obviously the news of the day is JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. JP Morgan's loss was a little less than expected. So, you know, from a risk perspective, you know, it's up a little bit, but it doesn't seem like, you know, it's certainly not going gangbusters, and at the same time, it's not down. So I don't know if there's going to be a huge trade for us to really take advantage of. But overall, guys, I think it's one of those muted days on Fridays that you pick and choose one or two opportunities and try to take advantage of it. I know a bunch of people are asking the best in breed stocks, the Apples, the Amazons, price lines. Do you buy them here? And I think if you're going to be getting involved on the upside at this point in time, it's only for trades. Rent that position. Even Apple right now penetrated the $600 level, closed above there, closed below there, above there today. It might waffle around there for the next few days, and then we'll see what happens. I think you'll get a better, clearer picture. So right now it's trade only, shorter term. And, you know, I'm not getting aggressive across the board. My two trades, again, I'm going to be looking at Netflix. I probably, you know, price line tries to hold the base. I will look for it. Nike's on the radar. And certainly I'm going to watch the spiders and JP Morgan just to see if that's going to give me a guide to this market overall. But, you know, we are in an uncertain, not uncharted territory, but certainly there's not a clear picture on any of the charts that I'm looking at that gives you a real definitive 80-90% conviction rate that we're going to go one direction or another. You got to really pinpoint smaller time frames. That's the only way I think you're going to get paid right now. Understanding that we're moving and there's big travel ranges. You just got to really, you know, pinpoint where you want to be and stick to it. Stick to your stop losses and stick to the gains. Don't over analyze across the board, and try not to be in too early. I think that's the key to trading right now. And again, we're going to have a slew of earnings coming next week. It really begins, and that should be interesting for us. Have a good day today. You know, I'll be on the VTF minimum at least in the morning, and have a good weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday.
Hello, everybody. My name is Pete Renzulli, Chief Marketing Officer of T3Live.com and one of the traders in the active mentor room for T3 Trading Group. What I'd like to do today is I'm really excited about introducing you to and inviting you to the first T3 Live Active Trader Summit in New York City, which is on Saturday, July 14th. We're going to have quite a few speakers today. There's going to be myself, Mike Lee, Evan Lazarus, Marc Sperling, Rob Smith, Rick Meadows. There's going to be a ton of great content, but the number one reason you want to come is you want to be able to network and associate with other like-minded people like myself. I'm going to pump you up. I'm going to guarantee you that. Other people like yourself who have a burning desire to learn how to be a trader. So I'm going to ask you to make a trade. Trade one Saturday for some of your time to come down and learn strategies, tactics, techniques, and put some faces to the people that you see in the virtual trading floor in T3 Live, and learn to take your trading bigger. Learn how to be a better trader than you are now. Learn the strategies. It's going to be a lot of fun. I can't stress that. I know it's a Saturday, but you know what? I want you to be there, to get excited, and to be here. Prove to yourself how bad you want it. Show up and come down and get excited with us. Saturday, July 14th. Now, very quickly for the registration. All you have to do is register at t3live.com or be an existing member of t3live.com, and you get 2 complimentary admission tickets for free. So all you have to do is go to t3live.com and register. If you would like to join us at the post-event cocktail reception, you can also upgrade to either premium or VIP. That's up to you, but either way, please take advantage of the general admission, 2 free tickets. Bring a friend, bring a neighbor, bring a wife, bring a girlfriend, maybe bring both, but come down and expect to have a great time. Saturday, July 14th here in New York City.